Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we are joined by Honorable Haruna Amiisi, the former Bundibugyo Town Council LC3 contestant under the National Unity Platform ticket. And we are here to pick his ideas about the establishment of the National Unity Platform office and his future in the political corridors of Bundibugyo Town Council and Bundibugyo District as a whole. Welcome on the show, brother Amiisi.
Yes, brother.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm so happy to have you today on set.
Yeah.
This office has been set up here. What does that communicate to the people of Bundibugyo Town Council?
First of all, Haruna Amiisi, commonly known as the Amio Erio, but I'm not a politician. As you see, the last elections in the Bundibugyo, the government were to get the 99% here in NRM. But at least last elections, tukabumba kuwanisha NRM yatunga 75, even by that time without happiness. So meaning that mukutwatungie our home, of our office here in Bundibugyo, influence yakuwa oliwa ubayaga akutanga kaptubiye amanyente.
So that's very interesting to hear. And this office is within the Bundibugyo Town Council. I don't know what your contribution was, but what made you choose to have this office just next to the NRM office?
As you can see, there are different landlords, so you can rent anywhere you want, but each have maybe targeting any area. This is a different landlord, and any area is a different landlord, so you have a right to rent anywhere around the Bundibugyo.
Okay, thank you so much. You have intentions of running again as Mayor of Bundibugyo Town Council, is that true?
Yes, of course.
What is your motivation as a politician and as a member of the National Unity Platform? What do you want to change as regards the administration of this town council is concerned?
You see, my brother Hassan, who won the other time, has done his part, but still, I am inside this town. If you move around, and that's a big problem here. Why? Nanga kubalala kasente tibagali kongera mumadi power poli kongera namba ya poli and si already wamanyeta unyakona bona ebintu bintu byemaina tande kilo even before the elections nangade na plani tumeenda kusala around kilini la town council ya.
As a musician, how have you used your talent as a musician to mobilize for your own votes and also the votes for the National Unity Platform?
At least on the side of music, all the musicians, all the talents are aware. The right side, you're supposed to supporting. We have an association and the treasurer. So all the time we meet. This is the right way. And yesterday they know. If I told them the mayor, they will allow me with all the powers. For instance, to make Gianino, Papa Manyan, I think Gianino, don't take our own show here in town. To what we like access to work. Then, of course, tuwango penga supportinga while Monanka tuwango penga supportinga while class yawe. Now, like for instance, I'm a musician, and I don't think those fellow musicians are available.
Okay, that's good to hear that you're actually the treasurer for the Musicians Association.
Yeah.
So it means to me that you are already in a position of being trusted by your own people to keep their money on their behalf.
That's right.
And I have to understand that you're doing that job well.
Yes, of course.
Okay, so what kind of message do you have for the people in the Bundibugyo Town Council?
The message I have for the people of the Bundibugyo Town Council, my manifesto was to clean this town. Then you don't get any street lights, whereby the other side is Yamukiseni Bantu Bapo Baga Sara Nanga Kelima. But when lights are there, tuwangu benga kukulira business tuwangu elare kiranzi maybe kasimu kanje bakachawula kera katwala so mbika niye kutomenda kugendera mu town council okutandikira amale ku bentu banjasanya akokeye nanga I was informed amenda LC5 meaning that this town is mine kali wako singa so mbika niye kuba kubakolera Nuana Bona Hade Vanga at times the Alasobuzi Bitubaku Bidiagans. We need to Tuago and Medana and Tubaso we have a set Kake almost on Utakana, but when they are selling their stuff in a well organized manner. So, about what on the council, me, I'm ready to work for you. Kade mawenda kuwakolera okukuka bonne obulemi bwa people power kukolanga hamwe n'abantu ba Bundibugyo okubolina right ya kwisa mu office ogamba nti waitu meya kini kiretete nguga kuwa matoro titule bakemalira nza kuka bonne bakuwaira lyo bawudiside kanga babonwanti a leader akubago ni mkoli wa house. So, town council is ready to bakolera. Kanye kubasi manchiara time support ya kuanjo lekeye. Ekimanye this time around ekusa iyo.
Thank you so much, Brother Haruna Amiisi, for the time you've given to us, and we wish you all the best in your upcoming endeavors.
Thank you, brother.